What if we told you, you don't have to stand it? Introducing Rail Easy, the easy way to mount your umbrella or just about anything on a railing. When it comes to umbrella stands, there aren't really a lot of options. You can have a large, heavy metal base, or a bulky sand or water-filled base, or some sort of a hybrid DIY solution, all taking up valuable space on your deck, patio, or balcony. With Rail Easy, you can put your railings to work and enjoy the shade without sacrificing the space. The Rail Easy's patented hinge design securely clamps onto your railing and locks in place. It's fully adjustable to fit most railing sizes and types, and it's so simple to install. Rail Easy is designed to hold any pole up to 1.5 inches in diameter, so it can easily hold most umbrellas. The best part about the Rail Easy mounting system is that it's not permanently fixed. Simply pull the pin to unlock it, so your umbrella can move with the sun. The Rail Easy mounting system is strong enough to hold big umbrellas, but it only weighs 3 pounds, and it's super compact, so it's easy to take to the cottage, cabin, or camper park. Put your railings to work so you can enjoy more of your deck. And when you use 2 Rail Easies, you can do even more.
Hey Kickstarters, I'm Andrew, and I invented the Rail Easy. It all started when my fiancée wanted additional shade on her deck, but she didn't want to sacrifice any valuable space or deal with bulky umbrella stands. Knowing that I'm a machinist by trade and that I like coming up with these neat ideas, she asked me if I could make something that could easily attach the umbrella to the railing. And that's when I thought, challenge accepted. I wanted it to easily open and close to fit around the railing in order to securely hold the umbrella. And that's when I came up with a patented hinge design, which turned out to be the key feature. And the bonus of this is that the more weight that you put on the Rail Easy, the tighter it clamps on. It turned out to be an incredible design.
We've spent the last 2 years working with engineers and factories to refine the concept. We then took Rail Easy prototypes to a home show just to see what people thought of it. And we were blown away by what they had to say.
So what do you think?
I would say this is really impressive, is what I would say. Really impressive. A very smart man, very clever man made that.
It's an awesome product. Looks like a really great idea.
So if I'm watching the football game, how big a TV could I put on this thing?
You can put the TV on the railing.
That's just awesome.
It's freaking brilliant.
It was important to us to make a quality product, so each piece is completely machined from solid anodized aluminum and stainless steel. Rail Easy is corrosion resistant and designed to withstand most types of weather. We're ready to start production, but we need your help in order to hit the initial production quantities needed.
We know the Kickstarter community loves innovative ideas.
So we wanted to offer it to you here first and at a great price.
You don't have to stand it.
You now have an alternative. Back the Rail Easy, and you can save the space when you lose the stand.